Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to send files from your iPhone to your Android Smart TV. This is how you do it. You have to download and install this app called Send Files to TV. I'm going to provide the link in the description for the iPhone app and the Android TV app so you can download it easily. After you download and install them, make sure your Android TV and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After that, you launch the app. When you launch the app, you have to click on Send on the app on iPhone. Use the send icon that looks like a Telegram app icon. On your Android TV side, you have to select iPhone since we are dealing with iPhone. You can send pictures, videos, or files. I'm going to use just one picture as an example in this video. Select the picture you want to send and click on Send. You're going to see your Android TV. Click on it. And now the file will be sent to your Android TV. If you want to locate where the file is being saved, simply go to any file manager you have on your Android TV. Go to Downloads and go to Send to TV. There you're going to see the files that you have sent from your iPhone to your Android TV. So that's how you send files from your iPhone to your Android Smart TV. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.